hand fork, so it doesn't take whenever you're doing your final heat up.
We have to go to like a mining town. Okay, so we're doing that, and then I guess I can just do one. So we're going to use this one as our template.
Our standard.
Is it better than all the other ones?
Well, I have one of the actual high carbons, I think, in my bag.
Well, I got a high carbon one here.
And it's brand new, fresh. Yeah, I'd do that one.
But look at the head of it. It's not perfect. That head looks way, see how much, you know.
I'd do for the shaft part on this and then the head on that. So do both. So drive this shaft in.
Go look for a real pretty head and a base to it. See if you can find anything better than what I got.
That was easy. We're gonna need to turn the music off. I'll go to your ear.
Yep, it is way better. I think that one looks perfect.
Yeah.
Because when we beat in there, it's gonna beat all the way in the whole head and everything. You know what I mean? The head's gonna be flush with the top of that thing. So then it's all you know, right there.
And if we cut this off, then there'll be enough out that we can drive it out.
Oh yeah, well that's what I'm saying. This gets cut off. This gets cut off right here. See the chisel marks I put in? That's where it gets wicked off right there. And then we'll weld it on there. And then bam, put that shit right on in there. Done.
Honestly, with that, I would have just started with drilling a hole close to the size and then just drip the hole.
Well, yeah, you said we have to anneal it first, you said.
I think it's good enough now.
I know, I gotta grab tongs here. Just want to drive this thing down in there.
Drop ports.
Fire.
A little fire never hurt anybody.
Okay.
When it's away from them.
What do I do with my You have to hold it with the tongs.
There you go. Guess I should hold tighter.
Just hold with the tongs. Okay. All right, pop it. Hit harder.
Let's take over there.
Then you just kind of work it out, and
Yeah.
you can't just reach down and grab it, and you know.
Yeah, grab a hold of it. Drop, Forge.
Look at that. Look at that square in there. It's off. That's okay.
Yeah.
As long as that head.
As long as it fits.
The head will fit there. I think it will. Okay. All right. Heat it back up.
Oh, film it.
You're like, I got 3 buses out of 1. Okay, let go of the tongs, let go of the tongs.
You want the vise for that?
Oh yeah, look at it go.
Let me zoom in on that.
It's getting there. We're gonna do another heat with it.
Nice. You want to cool off your spike?
No, I want to keep it hot.
All right.
Okay.
Spicy?
Nice and spicy.
You only need to look at that real quick.
That's gonna go right in. It's gonna go right in. Watch out, watch out.
Oh, dude.
Oh shit.
That was even easier.
All right, that looks good.
A little more.
No, I think that's it.
Now we got to get a little round. A little more round shape in there.
That's right. Okay, that's right. Let's see how it's showing up. You know. I think one more time.
Yep. Get a nice ridge in it.
It's sparky as hell. I think it's there. I think it's there.
Keep it going. Go till she won't go.
Here, Bryce, you get a hit. You better hurry up.
Hit it like it owes you money. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
My ears are ringing.
All right, that's good. Okay. No, just put your hammer.
Put it under it
Let
to
go.
keep it up. Yep, forged.
Oh yeah, she looks good too.
Little flatty flat, final tap. Make sure we didn't squeeze her up.
Yeah, I think
Oh, yeah,
I think
got
we
a
need to
little
cut
rag.
that off there first. So we're gonna let it chill. Or just
Cooling
relax.
cycle. Nice imprint. Even with a little flaw in the back.
Something like that, isn't it? Welding.
Try to weld it to the spike.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Big hammer or little?
Big hammer. Oh yeah, big hammer. Heck yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. Yep, I think you're ready. Oh, yep. That's gonna be quick though. 30 seconds. You want the hook of the spike facing you. Put it first in the thing. Drop forwards. Yep, she's there. Take the tongs out. Now beat that shit in there. Yeah, baby. Drive that railroad spike. Get that son of a bitch. Yeah. Now hit around the edges. Hit around the edges of it. Of the piece. Yep. There you go. Yep. My side is a gap. There's a gap down here. Yeah, there you go. Hit harder. There you go. Hit harder. Make it nice and flat. Yeah. Make it sound good around there. Hit them sides too. Yep. Don't worry about the railroad spike.
We don't want to crack it.
All right.
160.
All right. Let's let it cool and see how she does. No, put it the right way. You had it facing away from you.
That's it for this video. Please do leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. It helps with the algorithm. And just wanted to let you guys know, coming up, we're going to be doing a channel name change. We're going to be changing it to Forge Friday instead of Albright Metalworks, and bringing in more of the guys to do the stuff. This was a fun little project. Only took about a half hour at most. Got it cut down to 15 minutes roughly. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one. Forge on, my friends.